This video illustrates the use of the Milltronics TTC40 to machine long workpieces using a system of material handling carts, fixtures, and pallets to shuttle the long workpieces into position for machining. The workpiece is attached to a fixture which can be manipulated into different positions by coupling it to the pallets attached to each of the machine's tables. Here the workpiece is in position and the drilling operation can proceed. When moving the workpiece to a new position, the tables switch into independent operation mode, so the left table can separate and retract to advance the fixture. When the left pallet is in position, the right pallet advances, and when it is in place, the tables reunify into synchronous operation mode. The fixture lowers back onto the pallets, is locked into place, and the next machining process can begin. This repositioning process is called inchworming. Although this is a unique operation, the TTC40 can also be used as a regular pallet machine, running the tables independently to eliminate setup time. This allows the customer to minimize floor space so that the same machine can produce smaller parts with the tables run independently or longer parts with the tables synchronized.